Joseph from Cyprus has a bedroom leak.
It's coming from the bottom of the wall. Joseph writes, there's no plumbing in that area, and it's on an outside brick wall. It appears to be coming between the sill and the floor. The sheetrock is not wet. I noticed it when the rain blows, he says, mostly, when the rain blows sideways and when I was power washing the wall. Seems pretty obvious, but what's your advice for Joseph?
There's a breach in the brick somewhere.
Yeah.
Maybe the weep holes weren't put in right, or the brick is real porous. So one of the solutions to that is to get a brick hardener and have it treated like they do chimneys to keep them waterproofed. So you can waterproof the brick if that's the problem. If you don't see any obvious breaches in there, it could be around your windows on the outside too. If you have windows where the brick is, that needs to be sealed real well, and a lot of that seal breaks over time, and then you start getting water in through the walls, and it's going to come down to the bottom, and then it'll work its way in. And then the last thing I always get people to look into, because they don't tend to do this, is your water drainage when it's getting that heavy rain. Is it building up next to your house? Because if it builds up even an inch, it's going to come underneath that brick and right into the home.
It's going to find a way in.
Yeah, water has to drain immediately, whether it's gutters, drain systems, excuse me, whatever the case may be.
Or lifting your house high. Yeah.
Well, if it's in a flooded area, yeah, hopefully it's not that bad.
All right, well, we hope nothing's that bad, but if it is getting that bad, we can help you. Go ahead and send us your question. Visit HomeShowRadio.com. Right there in the middle of the homepage, you'll find the Ask Tom button. We'll take a look at your question, use it in one of these videos, or maybe even post it on Facebook.
Ding!